Racing just is started talaga. Moralia moving up down on the inside is play the music. Home run baby stay at home moving up now on the outside is Moy Cup Lady. Mountain Lake in the middle portion. Then comes Queen Maker while boarding pass is there the trail. There was a spill. Rider of horse number 9 Moy Cup Lady RL Lagrata left unseated. Then going along for the first turn we have played the music by about 2 lengths. And in second is Home Run Babe. Mountain Lake is racing in third. Down on the inside for this Moralia. Stay at home talaga Queen Maker. While boarding pass now racing in last back to the leader. We have played the music by our length and a half. Trying to get closer in second is Moralia. Alongside comes Mountain Lake. Stay at home like twice arriving at the Zin boarding pass. And on the outside Queen Maker talaga. And Home Run Babe now racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Moralia by about 3 lengths. And in second is Play the Music. Moving up now on the outside is Mountain Lake. In the middle portion is boarding pass as they swing for home. We have Moralia this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is boarding pass. Last 75 meters we have Moralia followed by boarding pass. And finally the program opener Moralia, boarding pass, Play the Music, Mountain Lake. Then comes number 3 Stay at Home Queen Maker.